Morning YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. I thought today I would give you guys a house tour. This is the driveway of the house tour. Okay, this first door is garage. This is the attic. This is my dad's workshop. And this is where me and my dad will park, probably. Or the other two-car garage, probably the other two, because if I have here's some lockers. Here we might be putting travel essentials for me. This whole section will be the flight attendant section. Doors to outside. Welcome to the kitchen. Here's the pantry. They're going to be adding shelves. Here's the laundry room. Here's a half bath. This house has two fridges. Here's the living room. Outside this door, there's going to be a porch here with doors to the porch out here. Here is this area will be the dining room. Here's upstairs. Let's go upstairs. Welcome to the upstairs. This is my dad's bedroom, my dad's bathroom, my dad's closet. Here's bedroom. They also have their own bathroom. In the closet. I'm painting all the doors today. Here's what we're calling the gaming room. This will be my brother's bedroom. Then if you go here, here's a linen closet. They're going to put a sink and cabinet in here. This will be my dad's office and a guest bedroom. Here's the What is it called? Me and my dad's office and the guest bathroom. Here's my office. Or my dad's. We haven't decided. I'll see you downstairs. Okay, here's the entryway. I'm going to get cabinets on here. We'll see. Here's living room number 2. This room will either be a sitting room, or we're going to make this a part of my bedroom. May I present the flight attendant's bedroom? Here's my closet. Here's my bathroom. Bathtub. They're going to put in a shower. Toilet. Here's the bedroom. There's going to be a TV. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.